WhatsApp has made it possible for users to add custom chat wallpapers to each of their individual conversations on the app. In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize your chat wallpapers on WhatsApp. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you've updated WhatsApp to the newest version. Then open the WhatsApp chat you want to add a custom wallpaper to. Tap the name of the person or group at the top of the chat. In the menu that appears, select Wallpaper and Sound. Then tap Choose a new wallpaper. There are a few different categories of built-in wallpapers to choose from. Bright, dark and solid colors. You can also pick a photo from your device's camera roll. Tap one of the categories to check out available wallpaper options. Tap an image to preview what it will look like in the background of a WhatsApp chat. You can swipe sideways to view more options. When you find a background you like, tap Set at the bottom to save it as the custom wallpaper for this chat. If you decide to go for a solid colored background, you can toggle the WhatsApp doodle pattern on or off by tapping the sparkle icon at the bottom. Note that if you're looking to change the background of a group chat, you'll only be able to do so if you're an admin in that group. That's all it takes to add custom wallpapers to WhatsApp chats. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.